Hey guys, it's Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video. So, I want to share a little trick with you guys. This is off my Exmark stand-on mower. You know how your gas gauges get oxidized like this. So a little trick that I have found out, instead of going out and buying a $70 fuel gauge from your dealer, or you can find them on Amazon, I think for $45 was the cheapest I found this one. Yeah, take some sandpaper. This one's got a 600 grit. I've tried it with I think it was 400 on the last one that I did on my other mower. But you can see, it's pretty hard to read. I mean, this one isn't as bad. The one that I have on my standard now, I couldn't even see it at all. I just estimated on how much gas I had in the tank, have to pull the cap off, look down in it and see, oh, well, I've got enough to get through the day or whatnot. But anyway, I'll show you a neat little trick. So just some sandpaper, and I have some leftover 30 weight oil here. So take sandpaper and just rub it around on here. Kind of the same little trick that little kits that you buy to redo your headlights on your vehicles. You know, you sand it, then you buff it, and you put the buffing cream on there, and you sand it some more, and all that fun stuff. Well, this is basically the same trick. And so far, on my standard, it's lasted since October of last year, and it's still very readable. The only thing about 600 grit paper is it clogs up really quick from the plastic. So I do apologize. It is very windy today here in Ohio. So if the sound is a little screwed up on here, I do apologize. Just keep sanding it down. I try and go around in circles, kind of wipe it off a bit, see where you're at. See the difference in it already? Getting rid of all that oxidation over the years. I think this one's off a 2014 or 15, so it definitely has seen its better days. Look at that already. Looking pretty good. Yeah, that ain't too bad at all. Let's hit it for a few more seconds here. Some around the edges, real good. It's a lot easier when it's on the mower, so. This is just an idea that I wanted to show you guys, so. Alright. Take an old rag, kind of wipe it off a little bit there. I'm sure there's other things that you can use other than motor oil, but this works pretty good. So just get a little dab of it on your finger there, on your rag, and watch this. Look at that. It's not exactly new, but yeah. And like I said, the one I have on my standard mower now, I did this back in October of last year, and it still looks just like this. That oil on there prevents it from oxidizing. There you go. The sun came out now. You can really see how clear this is now compared to what it was just a few minutes ago. So that's it, guys. Just a quick little video for you. Hope you enjoyed it. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.